Wings, wings, wings. That's what you're getting in this collaboration, #JanuWings. It's time to wing it, because that's what we're gonna do. We've already got our marinated chicken out of the fridge. It was in there for about 5 to 6 hours, and this is how we made it.
All right, let's make a marinade. Olive oil, lemon juice, tomato paste, mayonnaise, pepper, smoky paprika, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, onion powder, and zest of 1 lemon. Well, some zest. And mix. And in goes our chicken. I'll dump it gently so as not to wear the marinade. And get in there and mix with your hands. It's the best way. Make sure you get it all coated. And then we're gonna wrap it and refrigerate for up to at least 4 hours.
Wasn't that easy, that marinade? It's so easy and it smells so good. So I am part of a collaboration that is brought to you again by Rich over at Just Cook the Damn Food. It's called #JanuWings right there. That's the hashtag. Search it out. There are a lot of us YouTube cooks that are part of this collaboration, and I think we're all doing something different. Today, what I'm bringing you, we're calling it fiery butter wings. It's a new recipe. Came to me while I sleep, as most of my recipes do. Put it all together, and now we're gonna air fry it. First thing we need to do is spray our pan so it doesn't stick. And get our air fryer preheating. We're gonna go 400. Now we're gonna go 10 minutes. As always, right here, tells you exactly how long this is gonna take. We are shooting for an internal temp, 165, 74 Celsius. Ah, look at that, I remembered to tell you. I always tell you, as always, description below, full recipe, full measurements, full cook time, everything. Let's get our wings on there. Oh, this, I wish you could smell this, but you know what? When you make them, you can smell it. They are fantastic. You want to make sure and give enough room around them so that the air can kind of circulate around a bit. So I'm just making a little bit of space here. I got one more flat in there. While that is preheating, we're going to put together the sauce that's going to go on after that first initial 10 minutes. Oh, how rude of me. I didn't even introduce myself. I, of course, am Annie. This is my tiny kitchen, but big flavors come out of this tiny kitchen, like this right here. We have got some melted butter. That's the base of this glaze. We've also got some fresh parsley that we need to chop up. You want to chop it up finely because we don't want any of those big chunks of parsley because they tend to burn if they are too big. Perfect. Add that to the melted butter. We have also got some hot honey. Some dried parsley. And some of that wonderful smoky paprika. That's it. We're gonna mix it up, set it aside while those wings cook, and as it sets, that parsley is gonna soften up and just put more flavor into that wonderful glaze. Let's get those wings cooking. All right, we went for an additional 5 minutes this first go round, so it went for 15 minutes. Now we're gonna take it out, glaze them up, and put them back in for about another 5 to 7 minutes until they reach that internal temp of 165. Ooh, brushy, brushy. I'm gonna hang on to the rest of this glaze because when they come out, we're gonna give them one finish as well. In they go, again. All right, we are done. Let's get them out, plate them up, glaze them again, and then take a bite. Ooh, that's hot. We're glazing. It's time to plate them up. My Lanta. There's that OCD of me. They all got to go the same way. Ain't no thing like a chicken wing. If you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't, hit that bell, you'll never miss an episode. And check out #JanuWings. Thank you, Rich at Just Cook the Damn Food, for putting this together. And now I'm gonna give it a try. Got my paper towel. Oh, wow. That just falls right off the bone. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, that is so good. That lemon, I forgot we put lemon in the marinade. That lemon comes out. That hot honey comes out. What is that I'm tasting? That is buttery, smoky paprika. It just comes right off the bone. All right, well, you know what? There's nothing left to say, but thank you so much for watching another episode of Annie's Smoking Pot. And until next time, bye. Dude, it just falls right off the bone. Like, seriously, it's so hot that, but you could do that sucky thingy, you know?